Hear me okay?
Yes.
So this is from K-pop. There's a song called Dynamite that hit the Billboard 100. And in the interest of talking about physician burnout and reducing the Inbasket burden, I thought we might sing a song about Inbasket Dynamite. 'Cause I'm gonna set my in-basket aright. So watch me bring the fire and set the side alight. Log on, get up in the morn. Cup of Joe, let's rock and roll. King Kong, click it, done, rolling on like a rolling stone. Sing song when I'm driving home. I'm happy just to see the sun. Ding dong, call me on my phone. Quick note, and I'm already done. This is getting heavy. Let's do today's work. Today I'm ready. Life is sweet as honey. That refill's done. So sunny. Message overload. I'm on to that. I'm good to go. I'm zooming. Log on. I see you. So let's go. 'Cause I'm gonna set my in-basket aright. So watch me bring the fire and set the side alight. Working it together with a little funk and soul. Light it up like dynamite, whoa, whoa. Bring a friend, join the crowd, whoever wanna come along. Huddle up, talk the talk, just move like we off the wall. The day is bright, the sky's alight, so block that message ping pong. Ladies and gentlemen, I got the medicine, so you should keep your eyes on the ball. This is getting heavy, let's do today's work. Today I'm ready. Life is sweet as honey, yeah, that refill's done, so sunny. Message overload, I'm on to that. I'm good to go, I'm zooming. Log on, I see you. So let's go. Everybody. I'm gonna set my in-basket aright. So watch me bring the fire and set the side alight. Working it together with a little funk and soul.